Okay. Today we'll discuss about VAS 8.529 VAS 8.529 Federation. Suppose first DMGR is version 9.0. Second is application server. Profiles version 8.5.5.21. Okay. Next, I will show you CD, WebSphere IBM, WebSphere App Server, profiles under DMGR under bin. This is VAS version historyinfo.sh. See, this is 90511 version is running, and my application server profile is an application server one and a bin dot slash historyinfo.sh. That will be under 85521. Okay. And mount points for version 9.0 WebSphere IBM WebSphere App Server and profiles TMJAR01 and a bin. This is the mount point for VAS. Mount point for VAS 8.5 slash OPT WebSphere App Server profiles AppSRV01 under the bin. This is the mount point, two mount points. This is my IP address. You are also logging as a test user and the password also test. You can use login as a username as a test. Username as a test. Okay, login WinSCP, login putty and use WinSCP. See, I will show you. But I will not give entire credentials test. So if not login, I will change. I will change the password. Okay, now you can log in as test user. Now you can log in as a test user. Just observe what is going on. Okay, this is cd slash opt. I am creating one profiles in version 8.5 history info.sh. See 8.5. I created an profiles. I will create an profiles by using manage profiles.sh hyphen create hyphen profile name appsrv03 profile path slash opt websphere app server profiles app server 3, and after that template path slash opt IBM WebSphere app server profile templates. Here using default template I am using in WebSphere application server hyphen cell name appsrv underscore cell 3 hyphen node name appsrv underscore, and I will give my own server name. Server name is test hyphen server type application server. Wait, it will creating and profiles, that is application server profile it will be creating, and I will federate into dmjar. Dmjar is was 9.0 was 9.0. I will federate the node to the dmjar. Any doubts, reach out to me or ping the chat. I will reply your comments. Now, this is profiles are successfully created or not. We can verify. Go to one step back and manage profiles. In the manage profiles, there is app server 3 underscore log is there. Use tail hyphen 10f install on success. It means it will successfully created. Now I will create dmgr and a bin one step back dmgr cd logs cat about this profile.txt. 90608879. DMJAR is running or not, we can verify. Which path DMJAR is running? See, DMJAR is this path, but application server is different path. See, OPT IBM. I have two mount points. One mount point is 8.5, another mount point is 9.0. Same, this is first mount point. This is second mount point. This is second mount point. Okay. So I will doing federation. I will go to my original path. See, in this only DMJAR is there. CD, OPT, WebSphere app server, profiles, and that profiles. Under here, all profiles are here. App server 1, app server 2, DM. This DMJAR is not working. See, because already migrated one profile to another profile, migration is completed from DMJAR. Only DMJAR migration is completed. Okay. Already migrated from one server to another server. Now dot slash yard node dot sh under DMJAR host name, under DMJAR SOAP connector port number 8879. This is the regular command we are using. Different version also we can support. WAS 2 versions federation also it will be successful also. Now creating the DMJAR node agent. After that, PS-F 5 symbol grab, job 5 symbol grab, APP-SRV3. Okay. App server 3 is running. Dot slash start server dot sh test. If any errors will resolve. After that, we can create clusters and add existing cluster. We can create cluster member 3 and add into existing cluster member, existing cluster. Don't create any cluster. Okay, already cluster is there. We can create clusters. One 60 only. Wait, I will stop my firewall. Systemctl. Carl -k -I. Yeah, working fine, but why it's sorry, 9043. We are using 9060, right? 9043 is our DMGR console port number. Okay, that is the mistake. See, say DMGR is 9051, 9051. Application servers are 8.5. See, application servers are 8.5. This also supporting. I will create n cluster members in existing clusters. Test cluster 3 and add member. This is the one of the most interview question, recent interview question. How to create new server and how to add cluster member 3 in existing cluster. This is the most recent interview questions. Okay. And one more thing, VAS version 11 also will be coming in future. It will not started. Why it not started means we need to set JDK in the command in here. We need to set JDK, go to set Java JDK and make as the default. See, in earlier it will false. Now it will make it as a true, and we can verify another servers also same thing happened or not. Say true is there. We can verify all clusters. True. But DMG are also, but now it will started no issues. In the backend, we can verify PWD. One step back, CD logs, and it will create a server that is test underscore server 3 system out.log tail space hyphen 100f log is. See, cache provided bundle server is started. See, okay. What is the port number for this? You can access application also by using the port number. Nine double four eight. Yes, application also working fine, no issues. No issues reported. But we need to add this. We need to add 9448 port number into our virtual host. Our virtual host nothing but all port numbers and URLs must and should be mapped in the host. I am adding this. Now I will restart my server, that is restart. Mistaken here. I will verify curl command. Yes, working fine. No issues. Virtual host is only virtual host is not defined into source. Shopping cart. I will restart server one more time. Yes, application is working now. Plans by WebSphere. That also working fine. No issues. Now I will ask the same command in curl command. Curl command source. So no issues pasted. See, application is working. Pound. You see, 302 means pound. Earlier is 404, 404, not found. Okay. 302 means found. Servlet is 3.0 version. 302 found. This is the federation and how to do it defederation in the command line. I will show you how to defederate. You can remove the node into the existing server. First, we need to separate the node. We need to give dmgr console user ID and a password here. First, server 3 is stopped. Test cluster is stopped. Next, server is stopped. Next, node agent will be stopped. Somebody asking what is the node agent, I will explain. This is the removing the nodes to the DM jar. Removing node 3 is complete. Now we get separated. Every profile have separate console. I will show you. See app server 3 cell. If I need to federate here, it will come DM jar cell. I will show you. Wait 2 minutes. I will show you. DM jar console also will available in app server also. Okay, so go to one step back. CD logs. After removing the node to the DM jar separate. Now it will be node, not node agent. Cat about this profile.txt 9084 9048 is the admin console port number. See 9448 not working because we have removed the profiles. Now I will show you HTTPS 160.250.146.9048/console. This is the application server DMJ console. This is application server DMJ console 84521. My application server console is 85521. My DMJ console is 9.0. I am doing the deployment. I will do deployment on existing server. I will also deploy. This is local. I selected. Without federation, it will be a node. After federation, node becomes node agent. Node agent nothing but communication between DM jar to application server. This is nothing. This process nothing but express and base versions are there. Next, ND means must have should be failover is there. We need to add cluster member 3 into the existing cluster. What is the server port number? Go to ports 9084. So application is working fine without DMGR means there are two DMGRs. One is application server DMGR and one is main DMGR. Okay. This is application server. This is actual DMGR console. This is normal application server console DMGR. Go to system administrations. User and groups. We can create the user also security and a global security. Select here and give here federated repository. What is the repository means? We have already one repository is there. We need to add one more repository. I will use for temporary purpose VAS admin. VAS admin. VAS admin. I am giving the permissions. When we are creating the profiles, automatically repository is created. That is the IBM standard. Save. For here, we need to start and stop from backend only. In Express and Base, we need to stop backend only. Okay. Like DMGR only, we can create or we can delete and everything. Stop server.sh and test. This is when we are federating happens. That is nothing but failover controls ND product network deployment manager. Server is stopped and starting the DMGR. Starting the application server DMGR. So I given the permissions. This is application server DMGR. This is normal DMGR. This is normal DMGR. That is application server DMGR. That is both are different. I am logging as another user here. Okay. See, two DMJs are there. No, one is logout. I am logging as application server DMJar. My DMJar is username is VAS admin and VAS admin. My console DMJar is config admin and another thing is there. You cannot deliver the passwords. This is the okay. Now we can verify 9084 is working fine. No issues reported. Now, now PWD. I will remove, I will delete the profiles in the backend. We have some commands are there. Dot slash manage profiles dot sh or here dot slash manage profile dot sh hyphen delete hyphen profile name. This is the command to delete the profiles. Say server is not running. PS hyphen F pipe symbol grep. I will stop them. Kill hyphen 9 681158. While deleting the profiles, while deleting the profiles, server master should be stop state. Now go to logs, manage profiles. Under that, remove app server 3. We have two app servers, okay? And we can verify properties and vim profile registry.xml. App server 3 is deleted or not? App server 3 is deleted. CD profiles and remove app server 3 directory. And we have only two profiles. Okay, this I will delete a DMJAR also here because this DMJAR is not working. My DMJAR is VAS 9.0. This DMJAR is 8.5. It is not required to delete it. I will verify my DMJR is working or not. My DMJR is working. CD logs, manage profiles, RM space RF. Now you can clear now. RM space RF DMJR. Now we have two profiles. These two profiles is bash 8.5. My DMJR profile is another mount point. This is server status.sh. iPhone all. What is the status of my DMJR? You can verify by using server status.sh. DMJR started. Okay. This is what is the version info.sh shows 9.0. Okay. This is the thing happen in the real time scenarios. Okay. This is the thing. Any doubts, please reach out to me or comment the chart. Okay. Next class, we will teach about AWS, EBS, Elastic Bean Services, and remaining things concept we will teach. Okay, I am stop the screen share. And one more thing, we will create one pipeline also by using ECS, Elastic Container Services. We can create a pipeline by using ECS, Elastic Container Services. Okay, upcoming classes we will see that. We have one Git repository is there. We can clone the repository, and by using the repository, you can create the pipeline by using Git auth authorization. I will show you. Okay, in the upcoming classes, I will show you how to create a GitHub repository and how to pull the repository. We will see in upcoming classes. Okay, I will stop the